Hello everyone, it's Edsel here from Segoviastrength and Conditioning. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a kettlebell swing. My space is quite small, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have a mat on the ground where I can place my kettlebell. The last thing I want to do is swing a kettlebell, get tired, and end up letting go of it. I don't want to damage my floor. Kettlebell swings are a great exercise to incorporate in your training program. Whether you're training for power, strength, or endurance, they're a great option. But you also want to know how to do them properly, hence today's demo. So it's not that hard. I'm going to show you guys a proper way to set it up and how to properly swing. It's really important for you to be able to master doing a hip hinge first before doing a kettlebell swing. The kettlebell swing is a hip dominant movement, so you're going to need a lot of power from the hips to be able to drive the weight in front of you. To set it up, you want to make sure that your feet are nice and wide, a little bit wider than shoulder width, with your knees slightly bent, and then really bending over to grab that weight. Okay? So in my past demo, I showed you guys how to hip hinge, so this is your hip hinge. So I'm deadlifting with a weight. With the kettlebell swing, it incorporates a very similar movement, but I'm going to start with the weight in front of me. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt the weight towards me, so you're going to need some space so that you're able to go for the proper backswing you need to gain momentum. Okay, so my elbows are slightly bent, my back's neutral, I'm not arched, I'm not rounded, neutral, so that my core is nice and tight. My lats are engaged, and then I'm going to go for a backswing and then pop into a swing. So that's one rep. You guys noticed, I wasn't really keeping my arms out straight. I want to keep them nice and bent, just a little bit slack, because I don't want to put too much tension in my arms. I want to keep my moment arm nice and loose, but my grip nice and firm. Okay, so I'm going to do 5 reps so that you guys can see it from the side. So when I was doing the swing, what I was trying to do was not to let the kettlebell go below the knees. A good rule of thumb is try to make sure that the weight is just between my legs. Okay? So try not to get the weight to go past the knees. Okay? Watch it again. When the weight goes past the knees, that means your knees are bending too much and you're moving into a squat. Like I said a while ago, you want your kettlebell swing to be a hip dominant movement. You just want your hips to do the brunt of the work. A knee dominant movement would be a squat, a lunge, or any kind of Olympic lift. For this, your prime mover should be your hips. Hence, keeping that nice hip hinge movement so that you're able to recruit your glutes when you're driving the weight forward. The proper breathing pattern when you're doing a kettlebell swing is not to allow too much air to come out of your system. So when I was doing it a while ago, you guys would hear me doing instead of going. I want to make sure that my body stays tense when I'm doing the swing, hence just a little bit of air coming out of my body. I'll do it again. So that's it. A kettlebell swing is pretty simple. Just make sure that you're hip hinging, make sure the weight doesn't go past the knees, make sure you're breathing properly, and make sure that you don't hit anybody when you're doing the swing. Okay guys, so that's it for today. That's your kettlebell swing. I hope you can incorporate it into your training program this week. Give it a shot. And if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to us, Segoviastrength Conditioning. My name's Edsel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.